Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're going to try to start the engine here in this WD project. Has not been fired up since we rebuilt it, so if that's something that you're interested in seeing, stick around because it's coming up. All right, so we're getting prepped up for the engine first start. I have done just a little bit of prep work here that's not on film, and that is basically just hooking up the battery and getting our cabling connected up, verifying that we do have fire over here at the points, which we did. And I went ahead and turned it over just a bit to get my oil pressure checked out here on the gauge, and everything looked fine on it. And then also to let it pump up some oil here on the top side. So with that said, it's got fuel in it. We got spark, and if everything's in time, we should be running. So let's give it a shot. Maybe having a fuel problem here. All right. Well, looks like I may have a few little kinks here to work out on it, but she started up, sounded pretty decent. I did notice I've got some gas coming out of my carburetor right here, so I don't know, I did rebuild that, so we may have a float issue. We've got good oil up here on the rockers all the way through, so that looks good. Oil pump's working fine. I checked the pressure on the oil earlier and all that was good. So anyway, I'll continue to tinker around with this thing and get everything squared away. But that was the first startup on that 226 rebuild. We got the WD-45 crank in it. So thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Have a good day.